Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Western Electric Trimline telephone. It's a desk model. And this is Andrea's equipment from Washington, D.C., and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Andrea's got a note with this unit, and they're talking about there's a lot of static on the line and maybe a broken loose connector at the handset and base, and the audio may be low too. Now, we've troubleshooted this telephone a little bit, and we know that the audio and the transmit are within standards, and along next to some other trim lines, it's actually a little bit louder than some of the other trim lines that we compared it to. What really matters in this situation is the condition of the telephone line. If the telephone line is not within standards, then you're going to have an issue, because these older telephones do pull a lot more voltage and amperage out of the line than a newer style telephone. And there is devices out on the market that are called line conditioners. And if you have an issue with your telephone line, you can simply purchase the line conditioners, and they upgrade your line to a more standardized type voltage and amperage. They level out a telephone line so that older telephones will work better and perform better. We could design and build an amplifier for the telephone, but there's no room, so we cannot build that type of circuit and install it in the handset. There just is not enough room for that circuit. We also want to take care of the static issue. We want to resolder the main PC board for the handset, and we want to check our connections at the network and make sure our hook switch is clean and all the connections are tight. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this telephone. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool original style Western Electric Trimline telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs to this really cool original style Western Electric Trimline telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. We're going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, September 16th. The current time, 1:53 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Trimline telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Andrea and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.